3, 2, 1.
This is plasticophobia.
So how do you like it, Fari?
Welcome to my sustainability journey. In this episode, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how we helped to make Von Wong's project a reality in plasticophobia. Von Wong, in case you didn't know, is a photographer and a social impact artist. And he's done some amazing work like Stropocalypse and Mermaids Hate Plastic, and all of this is talking about waste and pollution. And so with social impact strategist Laura Francois, they decided to focus on plastic cups. Not just any plastic cups, used plastic cups. So we decided to help him out, and some of us went out to 26 hawker centres all over Singapore to collect used plastic cups. Although at this point of time, we still had no idea what was going to happen. We're at the JiaLing Food Center, me and Susie, and now we're going to go collect the plastic cups from here. Yay! We got the cups. Thank you guys. So this guy, he helped us. Oh, he's helping us carry. He helped us carry.
Alright, okay, thank you.
He only speaks Mandarin, and so we had a bit of a hard time communicating, but he's so helpful. He's so sweet. 谢谢 ho. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cleaning cups. Cleaning cups.
Okay.
Drying cups. And then we stack up the cups. Guys, how many cups did we hit today?
10,000! So I'm trying to shape this so that it fits here. So we want this to kind of curve down like that. So I want to shape it so that it fits this angle and that angle.
Another day of doing weird things with plastics. We're at the Sustainable Singapore Gallery. We collected all these cups last week. And all our volunteers here cutting up stuff, cutting up the plastic, making weird shapes like these. Yeah. Yeah, it's all coming together. Another day of plasticophobia, and it's really taking shape. Now it's got lights. Hey. And it looks really cool. I know that all of this seemed like a very happy, fun environment, but the truth was all of us were working with 18,000 cups staring us in the face day in and day out. And that was a very harsh reality for some of us because we knew that we was also contributing to that plastic. And if these cups were collected in only 2 days in a very small country like Singapore, how much waste are we using all over the world?
I work in the sustainability space, the impact space, and it's really, really difficult sometimes because you feel like a broken record. Everyone's talking about plastics. Everyone's talking about what we shouldn't do, what we shouldn't buy, what we shouldn't use, what we should avoid. And it gets really tiring. And that's where art comes in. And this is why I love working on projects like this. This is why I love this type of collaboration with people like Ben. Because all of a sudden, we take a message and we create a feeling out of it. And feelings are something you can't dispute. There's no right, there's no wrong, it's how you feel. And that's what plasticophobia is all about. It's about feeling that anxiety around plastics, which is a feeling if you don't have already, you should have.
I just want to show you what crazy genius looks like. If my pointer works. There you go. So, this is what Laura kind of had to work with when she was trying to get money from CDL. I mean, the Canadian High Commission had invited me to do an art exhibit, and we had kind of felt like it would be really cool to do something new as opposed to just showcase old work. Conveniently, Josh, who's in the front, is one of the guys who helped me transform this sort of feeling. I'm like, see the constriction that we're trying to have here? This is what we need to do with a bunch of cups. We don't know how many we're gonna have. We're not sure what shape they are. And really through these conversations, so it's Dake, also part of the same team. There are local fabricators here. Karen was one of the people who was just basically emailing people every single day, updating them. That person who organized the 40 volunteers for the next day, and I said, hey, please change, tell them not to come. Her testing. And so it's like this really, these are really community-based projects, and I guess I just wanted to take a moment to really thank everyone here. And I want you all to realize that projects like these happen because individuals band together. It's, if you care about something, if you want to make a difference, you have to do something. You have to find the people who care about the same things like you do. And if you just sit around complaining about it and not doing anything about it, you're never going to find those people who care about the same things like you do. You're never going to find the companies who are going to support what you do. You're never going to find the organizations that believe the same things that you do. And nothing is going to change. So if you want something to change, you have to step up. And don't be scared, because all around you are people who are there and they want to make a difference. And I know it's there because we see it here. And I wish everyone could have made it, and that's not, unfortunately not the case.
So come check out this installation at the Sustainable Singapore Gallery at Marina Barrage from the 7th of March to the 18th of April.
Hello.